Hi, and welcome to Lost in a Wonderland. If this is your first time here, we are Scott and Jennifer. Together, we explore everything Florida, including all its theme parks, attractions, cruises, and more. If you like the video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. Also, hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the greatest show on earth.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of a stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
Hey guys, so we're at the Magic Kingdom today. We're going to do something a little bit different. Today we're going to do a top 5 list of our favorite attractions here at the Magic Kingdom. Alright, so here we are at number 5. I'm going to go first. We're going to take turn alternating. So my number 5 is Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's one of the newer attractions here at the Magic Kingdom. I think it's fun. I think it harkens back to the traditional storytelling, but with a new twist. I really, really enjoy it.
My number 5 is Astro Orbiter.
Really, I would not have guessed that in a million years.
Yeah, I like it because it definitely gives you like an overview of like the land over there. So I think it's kind of cool.
Sweet. Let's go give each one of those a ride. We're at number 4, Jen.
I am going to have to say it's Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Wow. All right. Well, we were close on that one. That was my number 5. That's Jen's number 4. Why do you like it?
I'm gonna say it's gonna have to be the Dwarfs singing "Hi Ho."
Hi ho, hi ho. All right. Oh, enough singing. Okay. So my number 4 is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I think, it's one of the Magic Kingdom mountains in the mountain range. It's just a fun ride. It's not too thrilling. It's relaxing, good theming. I just always have enjoyed it.
So 2 coasters.
2 coasters, can't say. All right, now since we've already ridden Mine Train, let's go ride Thunder Mountain.
And be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or flags.
Here we go again. We're on number 3 now. So it's my turn. So my number 3, this is a tough one for me. me because really my 1, 2, and 3 are all pretty interchangeable, and I mean they all could have been number 1. It was microns between them. Anyway, my number 3, you should be able to guess this one.
I don't know.
You're wearing
Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion is the quintessential classic Disney attraction. I love it. Detail rich, and I can't make a single trip here without wanting to get on. So, what about you? What's your number 3?
Because that is also Haunted Mansion.
Woo! We got a match. We got a match. All right. So we're gonna go ride. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film. Film with an iPhone. It doesn't film with a light. So we'll try to get you some light footage.
Give us a hint by ringing a bell.
As long as we be sure to bring your death certificate.
All right, here we are. About to start number 2. Your turn or my turn?
It's my turn.
All right, let's go.
So I actually chose the carousel.
I don't even know you. So Prince Charming's Regal Carousel?
Yep.
Why the carousel?
It's just nostalgia. I mean, like riding carousel, like they have them everywhere. It's a really pretty ride. It's behind the castle, so as you go through the castle, it's the first thing you see. So it's really pretty.
My number 2, though, we're pretty close to, and I'm just gonna turn the camera.
Can you see it?
I can't even see it.
No.
It's back there. Splash Mountain. It's Splash Mountain. I don't care what it's themed as. I like the theme now, but I don't really care. I just like the ride.
I mean, and it carries lots of memories for us. So
Absolutely.
it's the first ride we rode whenever we were here back on our honeymoon, and he claimed that I wouldn't get very wet.
And she hated it.
Because I got wet.
made it to the end of the list. This is what everybody's been waiting on. I know you've been waiting with bated breath, what haven't you? All right, so here we go. My number one.
Should I guess it first?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think his number one is Peter Pan Flying.
You did a good guess. It's wrong, but that's a good guess.
So what is your number one?
My number one is Pirates of the Caribbean.
Okay.
And this is because Pirates of the Caribbean was the very first ride I ever rode when I came to Disney World for the very first time. And for me, it is quintessential Disney, and it's still, even though, you know, it's not the most technologically advanced attraction, for me it is the most Disney of all attractions, and I have a very soft spot in my heart for it. And it's the smell of the water and the little drop and just the queue, everything. I just love it. So my number one. So
You want to try to guess my
whoa,
number one?
whoa, I'm about to drop the camera.
You want to try to guess my number one?
Yeah, hold on. I wrote it down. I gotta find it. Okay. So now it's Jen's turn. So we had a little bet. So she did not get mine right.
I didn't.
And I wrote down my list. So I'm gonna share with you what I think her ride is. So, what's your number one ride?
The Mad Hatter Teacup.
How did I not get that?
I mean, it's themed after my favorite movie, my favorite character, like, so, I mean,
Thank you, friends, for coming along today as we counted down our top 5 attractions in the Magic Kingdom. We got to ride some rides, and we learned a few things about each other along the way. As we always say, if never lost, then never found. So go get lost.